Today I'm unboxing an order from AK Options LLC, which is a great source for AK parts. They ran a deal on Romanian AKM Bayonets in poor condition for just $9 each. They're listed as I ordered 3 of them, so let's see what I got. The first one, the handles look good, some trench art. The blade looks to be in good shape. This one still has the rubber insulator on the scabbard, though it looks to be disintegrating. This next one has chewed up handles, some holes in it, almost like a dog got hold of it. The catch is stuck. Take off the scabbard. The blade looks good though. The scabbard doesn't want to go on all the way. Looks like that dent is stopping it. Yeah, it's crushed almost all the way closed there. Let's take a look at the last one. Other than the one area, the handles look to be in good shape. The catch works. Take a look at the blade. Again, it's in good shape. These bayonets also serve as a wire cutter. I'll just demonstrate how that works. The blade and the scabbard fit together like so, and then it pivots to cut the wire. I'm going to take the best one of these and clean it up just a bit. Not a full-blown restoration, I'll just make it look a bit nicer. I'll put this one off to the side and choose between these two. Looks like the one with the rubber has the better handles, so I'll work on that one. The first step is to get rid of the rubber insulator, which is a bit hard to work off. I'll just get rid of the remaining rubber and glue by softening it with goof off. And scrape it away. Now I can turn my attention to the bayonet. I'm using simple green, which is great at this sort of thing. You can dilute it, but for cleaning surplus parts and guns, I usually just spray it on full strength. Bakelite is a resin that can be enhanced by soaking it in oil. Here I'm using mineral oil meant for cutting boards. I'll apply a medium to heavy coat and let it sit overnight. Now I just want to smooth it out a bit. I have a medium grade steel wool, which I'll use to rub the handles. I'm outside since I heard Bakelite could contain asbestos. Better safe than sorry, and you should be doing this in a well ventilated space while wearing a face mask. I'll then apply another coat of mineral oil, letting it absorb into the resin. Then I'll come back later and repeat, but this time do it with fine steel wool just to smooth it out one last time. And again with the last coat of mineral oil. As for the scabbard, there's a small bit of rust, so I'll just run it up against my carding wheel, which is a soft wire wheel similar to steel wool. and then I'll give it a light coat of oil. And that's the final result. Here it is next to the third bayonet I unpacked, which is in similar condition to how this one used to look. I just wanted to make this bayonet a little bit nicer while still preserving its well-used look, sort of a rejuvenation rather than a full-blown restoration. And for $9 and a little elbow grease, this is a great deal. Stay tuned, I have an idea to turn the worst of these 3 bayonets into a fighting knife. Thanks for watching.